Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. In my case I will go for the Google Chrome, and right now just click here to go to the main screen and click on this button right here. Then if you want to open it, click on these three dots right here and click on the split screen. And right now we are able to choose the second application, so maybe I will go for the YouTube. And that's it. Easy way to enter the split screen in the ZTE Axon 10 Pro. With this switcher you can also adjust the size of the application. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.